Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by launching Wechat, tap the icon, and wait for the welcome screen. Make sure your phone has Signal and SMS enabled, otherwise verification fails. If you prefer QR, open the app on the other device now. Once done, choose Sign In. The app will ask for your phone number, email, or Wechat ID. Enter the digits exactly and then request a verification code. Pause only to confirm permissions, camera for QR, and messages for SMS. You now provide your credentials. Type the phone number with country code or tap scan to use a QR code from another device. If you chose SMS, enter the 6-digit code exactly as received. Codes expire quickly, so move fast. If using QR, hold steady and keep the camera focused until it confirms. Make sure to follow any 2-factor prompts and grant temporary permissions when asked. This prevents delays. If terms appear, read briefly and accept to continue. You're at the final step. Confirm your profile and adjust privacy settings. This secures your account. Once Wechat accepts the code or QR, it may prompt to add friends or backup chats. Decide now or later. If sign-in fails, try requesting a new code, switch networks, or restart the app. For persistent QR read errors, clean the camera, increase screen brightness, and retry. If nothing works, reinstall the app or contact support through the official in-app help option.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.